Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Khensani.M. So today I'm just gonna be singing for you guys. Actually, we're just gonna be worshiping together. This is a hymn, a Sotho hymn, South African. I love it so much. I love hymns. They bless me so much. So stay blessed. Let's worship together. Actually, it takes me back home. Like I miss home. I miss home so much. So yeah, let's just worship together. Moya, halalelang, moya niti wachi seo tena dipilu te batang di Every day and every hour. I just wanna be close to you. Lord, I just wanna know you more. Kamatati, kamatati, limatati, kamatati, limatati, kamatati, limatati. I just wanna be next to you. I just wanna know you. I just wanna worship you. I just wanna love you more and more and more and more. Every day and every hour, every day and every hour, day in and day out, day in and day